Hi friends, I did a beginning for lesson 40 on capacity, and this is going to serve as kind of our practice set and also to fill in some of our notes. As we were talking today, we were talking about capacity, and capacity is the quantity of liquid. A container can hold. Now, there are some abbreviations that will be helpful. When we say ounces, we abbreviate it OZ, and for some reason I am not, whoa, there we go. For some reason, there we go. Ounces is OZ. Cup, you'll see it in recipes. A C, pint is PT. Quart, it will be QT or QRT. I personally like QRT, but that's gallon, GAL. Now, one thing that's really kind of handy when you're remembering gallons, quarts, pints, and cups is this little thing. And I'm going to scroll up just a little, and you're going to draw one big G. Really, 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 really big. And I'm going to, okay. And in this G, there are 4 quarts. We're going to draw this. You have to make these, you want to make these really, really big. So there are 4 quarts to a gallon. And then in each one of these quarts, there are 2 pints. So we have pints, and then we're going to make these fairly large in here. So 2 pints per quart, 2 pints per quart, 2 pints per quart. And then in each pint, we have 2 cups. And oh, guys, I'm going to put this down so that it's really, my pen is smaller. And I'm going to put it as pink so that you can see I'm doing 2 cups. So it's cup and a cup. I don't know if you can see this. Cup and cup. Maybe I'll make that a little teeny bit bigger in the stroke. So cup, 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 cup. Make these bigger, guys. Cup, cup. I'm going to redo these. Cup, 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 cup. And so hopefully when you write this, this can help you remember. In the past, I've had students make up little stories about how there was one kingdom that had 4 queens, and with each queen there were 2 princes, and each prince had 2 cups. You know, you can make up your own story for this, but it's helpful to remember. Now, we're going to answer a few questions. How many cups of liquid equal a pint? I want you to think about it. Pause, fill these out, and then we will answer them, okay? So how many cups of liquid equal a pint? 2 cups, and we're going to label it. How many pints of liquid equal a quart? 2 pints equal a quart. How many quarts of liquid equal a half gallon? 2 quarts equal a half gallon. And how many half gallons of liquid equal a gallon? 2 gallons. Let's see, let's undo that. Whew. My pen is acting really crazy today. There we go. 2 half gallons equal a gallon. Our next question is, how many quarters equal $1? 4. And have you noticed though the word quart? There are 4 quarts to a gallon and 4 quarters to a dollar. Just a little interesting fact with words. And then how many quarts of liquid equal a gallon? 4 quarts. So that's another way to remember it. Here are our little 8 fluid ounces equals 1 cup, and 2 cups equals 1 pint. We also need to look at we need to also say 2 pints equals 1 quart, and 4 quarts equals 1 gallon. We also need to look at metric system. Love the metric system. Their liquid measurements are milliliters and liters. There are 1,000 milliliters to 1 liter. I think the thing that I've seen is if your mom gives you medicine that usually is measured in milliliters, and you can see those little measuring things that you pour like liquid Tylenol or liquid Advil in, they are usually given out in milliliters, and you can look at that. 1 gallon is almost 4 liters, not quite. So a full 2-liter bottle of liquid contains how many milliliters of liquid? If we have 2 liters, it's going to be 2,000. It's a little m and a big L, and that gives us 2,000 milliliters. I love this. I love studying it. I hope that you do too. Once you get some of these facts underneath your belt, you're going to use this a lot in everything, in cooking, in measuring, in chemistry. This will really be helpful. So carry on with the homework, and I hope you do well.